When does it make sense to do a VA loan cash out? Let's talk about it. As I told you before in my other videos, if you don't have a plan for your money, please do not take that money, that equity out of your home to just piss it away like I did 25 years ago. I learned my lesson. Have a plan for your money, have a plan for where you want it to go so that it can grow. I think it's great to take out a VA cash out refinance when you have high interest credit cards or personal loans that you want to pay off. If you have home repairs that are needed, you want to protect your property value. So you want to take care of your home, take care of your home. Your home takes care of you, provides a stable environment for you and your family, as well as it can be a cash cow if you are in an area that is appreciating and you're paying down the mortgage on it and the property is continually growing in value. If you need emergency savings, I mean, right now in this economic time, people are needing money more and more and more. And I know some of you may be watching and like, well, if I need money, why would I do a cash out refinance? Well, if you're struggling and living paycheck to paycheck and you're paying the bare minimum balance on your debts, it may work out in your favor once we run the numbers, of course, and look at it, to where taking out a cash out refinance and paying off those high interest debts, it may work in your favor to where it benefits you even more, meaning that you have more money, that disposable income that you have coming into the house, and you have less debt on your table, which means you probably will sleep a little better at night. Another great reason to take out a cash out refinance, if it makes sense, is if you're paying off tuition or educational expenses for your kids. It's about that time for kids to start gearing up to go to school. I know ours are applying for colleges right now. Ooh. So, and it can get kind of costly. But not everybody is meant to go to college. So, but that's just one reason if you need it, college expenses would be a great reason to take it out. Also, if you're starting a business, and one important thing that I didn't have on there that I think is very important is if you have enough equity in your home to take the cash to buy an investment property. And if that investment property makes sense and it makes dollars, so it makes sense, SENSE, and cents, CENTS, then it may be a good idea to take the cash out of your home to go ahead and start that investment. So these are just some of the reasons that a VA cash out can make sense for you and your family. However, as always, I'm always going to caution you to look at the numbers to make sure that it is advantageous for you, and always, always to make sure your money has a plan to grow and not go away from you and not bring you back any babies.